Fifth, fifth part. 5 cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 minus 10 square 45 upon sin square 30 plus cos square 30 degree. Now solve it. Putting the values of cos 60, sec 30, tan 45, sin 30, cos 30. It is an identity, it is 1. But we are solving with putting values. So put the values. 5 cos 60 is 1 by 2 whole square. 4 sec 30. Cos 30 होता है रूट 3 by 2. रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे तो 2 अपॉन रूट 3 का होल स्क्वायर माइनस 1 का स्क्वायर. sin 30 1 by 2 whole square root 3 upon 2 whole square. Now 5 into simplify 1 by 4 plus 4 into 4 upon 3 minus 1 upon 1 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Now simplify it. 5 upon 4, either you take LCM in numerator, the numerator LCM is 12. now 4 को 3 से डिवाइड किया 3 तो इधर आ गया 15. 3 डिवाइड बाय 4 4 तो 4 4 जा 16 into 4 plus 64 minus 12 upon 4 LCM, so it becomes 1 plus 3, so this will comes 15 minus 12 3 plus this is 67 upon 12 upon 4 upon 4, that is cancel out, so answer is 67 upon 12. Now I will take another question, that is question number 2. Question 2. Choose the correct options. Choose the correct option. First part 2 tan 30 degree upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree. So we will find the value of this. So putting the values, what is tan 30? 1 by root 3 1 plus tan square 30 1 by root 3 whole square. So it becomes 2 upon root 3. So 1 plus 1 upon 3, 2 upon root 3. In denominator 3 LCM, so 3 plus 1. So it becomes 2 upon root 3, 4 upon 3. So multiply of second and third and first and fourth. So 2 upon root 3 into 3 upon 4. So 2 will cancel out and this will cancel out. So this is root 3 by 2. This is the value of either sin 60 or cos 30. See which option is there available. It is sin 60 given you, A option. Now I will take another part. Second part 1 minus tan square 45 upon 1 plus tan square 45. Now putting the values, tan 45 is 1 ka square upon 1 plus square, so it becomes 1 minus 1 1 plus 1, 0 upon 1 is 0, so it is which option? It is option D. Now third part sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a. So options are 0, 30, 60 and D. Suppose it is 90. Now I will take a is equal to 0. In this I will take 2 into sine 30. So in this it is not equal. Let a is equal to 0 degree. So sine left hand side 2 into 0 is equal to sine 0 is equal to 0. 2 into sine 0 is equal to 2 into 0 is equal to 0. This is right hand side, left hand side and right hand side is only equal in option A. Only equal in option A. Now I will take fourth part. Fourth part, 2 tan 30 upon 1 minus tan square 30. Now putting the values, 2 tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Now again 1 minus 1 upon root 3 whole square. So 2 upon root 3, 1 minus 1 by 3. So 2 upon root 3, 3 is LCM, 3 minus 1. This will comes out 2 upon root 3. So 2 upon root 3, 2 upon root 3 and 2 upon 3. So 2 upon root 3 into root 3 upon 2. This will cancel out. So it is 1 upon root 3. So 1 upon root 3. Option is 1 upon root 3 is 10. So 1 upon root 3 is root 3. So it is root 3. Root 3 से ऊपर root 3 आएगा. Root 3 is tan 60 degree. Root 3 is tan 60 degree. That is option C.